All right, guys. Like I said yesterday, I came to the actually this is our path, Center Street. So yesterday, if you watch the first video, you will see I enter on that side yesterday, but actually the video too was not really clear. So today I decided to actually make it more clear, and okay, so I'll be entering into the other one today. Okay, I gotta walk, so I'm entering to the other park today. This is the right side of the back, and if you can see, you will see the South River walk back, South River walk back. It's a park, very historic actually. So this is where actually I live. So today I'm here to make this video for you, so you can see the name of the park. It's called the South River Walk Park. I have a lot of history actually. And it's a beautiful place. Beautiful place. You can see the Delaware. It's a little bit of history to follow here. Beautiful. So this one may actually, I know if you've been in Trenton, if you've been on Center Street before, you can see historical areas, and there are beautiful places, and I can show you around. I will show you around, but I just want you to follow. Please keep watching my videos. Please subscribe. Please keep subscribing to my channel. Like my videos. Comment below. Tell me what to do next. So if we start looking at here, you will start seeing all this 1702, 1714, 1719, 1720, 1722 and 23, 1726, 1745, so on so forth. 1747, 1750, 1758, 1776, 1777, 1778, 1784, so on so forth, guys. This is how it just go. This is how everything just go. As you walk following the history, a beautiful history. You can see the Battle of the Trenton. Like I said, this is a historical park. It's beautiful. 18th century. I just want you to believe it, that this particular park, the beauty of this park, you may have to come and look in. It keep going all the way to 1845, all the way up. Beautiful park, a place to be. If you are watching my channel, I want you to please make your comment. Make your comment, please. Tell me what to do next. So I will know what to do. Tell me if you've been in New Jersey before. You can comment. Tell me where you want to see, where you want to go to. Tell me where you grew up from. If you want me to go to that neighborhood, I just started this one yesterday about showing around my neighborhood. So the first video I'll show you all with the Delaware River actually just a half. As we were saying, you can see this park. This park have a history, a beautiful one, beautiful. It's a statue. I mean, actually, please don't ask me the history of this place, how they built the place. I may not be able to give you the right answer, but just comment. Just comment. If you live in New Jersey before, you want to see a certain place, just comment below and put the name of the place, and I'm actually gonna get a chance to go there. Make sure I get some video for you to see. Like I said, a beautiful historical place here, and New Jersey is a beautiful state. Like I'm telling you, this is just half New Jersey. It's a country now. It's a state, so you should know that. You have so many places. Like a neighborhood. This is Trenton. This is part of Trenton because Trenton is one of the biggest neighborhoods actually I can see in New Jersey. We have Mercerville, we have Hamilton, we have Bordentown, and so forth. So guys, here I'm right by the Delaware River. The Delaware River. Delaware River. So about yesterday I showed half part of the Delaware River, and like I said, if you want to come and just sit down, you can see the warning sound. Keep off the grass, you know. At a beautiful place I will show you. Come to the park, you want to sit down. Just recently, I will show you the beauty. And this is a park. This is just the smallest park actually, you know, like you have a community park. Okay, this is it. Because I'm gonna take you to Mercer Park, where you see the biggest park actually but it's in Mercer County. Yes, Mercer County. Yeah, Mercer County. You see the history. You see the beauty of this place. So yesterday I was talking about the golf field. So if you look across and bring it closer, you will see. But I will actually make a video about the golf field. I will actually make a video. So as if I'm standing here, I'm standing on top, and then the cars are passing underneath the park, underneath the park. So we're going down. We're going down. See the beauty. So someone was saying, hey, the waterfall. So we are down here. I need to wait. We are down here. We are down here. You can see, if you look inland across, you will see the Delaware River. The Delaware River. I was going down actually. then just trying to show you guys, we have a lot to go. We have a lot to go. We have a lot of videos that are coming out of New Jersey, but just keep subscribing, please. Thank you. Maybe you may ask, say, yes, the park is up. I'm about to take this other route here to go down. But I just want to show you, this is where the car. And they are passing under the park. So the road is underneath the park. So this is not the biggest park, please. This is just the community park. Like we have Center Street and the other neighbors around. We're walking back. Yes. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. About 10 o'clock in the morning. So today you may not be able to see the Delaware River clear because I'm on the top. When you go to the other park across, because it's one but divided into two, you may be able to see the Delaware River clear. This is the Delaware River. And I know some of you that do the history of America, you may learn about this, where they talk about Christopher Columbus. You know, the Delaware River. Today's I think our brothers, Muslim, I think today is their another prayer day. So you can stand up and you can see a lot of places. You can see across of your head, across, with a beauty. Forgive me. Please comment. Tell me what to do next. This is New Jersey. This is Trenton, New Jersey. The oldest city in New Jersey. We're just saying. Yes, Trenton. Yes, Trenton. Yes. And you can see everything is a history, my dear brother. Beautiful. I hope you're reading the word here, right? And you can see yes, like I said, this park have a history. Teach you a history. Teach you a history. A history that you may not forget. I just want to tell you, in Brazil, thank you very much. I saw some of your comments in Brazil, North America, yeah. And my brother, my Indian brothers, please, here you can see that this river, like I said, this is a history place. We all know this fish, and some of you that don't know it, me learn about it. See. Mm-hmm. Okay. As you follow, here, I came on the other side. Now I'm going out using this other side. Going out. I hope you like this video. Please comment. Tell me what to do next. It's because of you I'm doing this. If you don't like it, let me know. Do the comment below. Yeah, do the comment below. Yes, you can comment below. Tell me what to do next, and I will help me too. So it's here. I hope some of you have seen this place before. We've been in New Jersey. I can say in Trenton. If you've been in Trenton before and you've been on Center Street, I hope you have seen this. Seen this back before. So like I said, yesterday, the Delaware River this river have a history in America. This river have a history in America. Like I said, the boundary between Philadelphia and New Jersey for here. When you cross over there, that's Philadelphia. We'll make a video for it. We'll make a video. We'll take a road trip. I'm just showing you from in New Jersey to center Philadelphia. I may not be showing you the neighborhood in Philadelphia, but I'm going to show you from here to Philadelphia, the center in Philadelphia. But for New Jersey, I'm going to show you all the communities step by step, one after the other. Beautiful. Please subscribe to this channel. Please help the brother push up this channel forward. Please subscribe to my channel. You can like it. You can also share my videos. But I just want you to know that you are doing a great job for me. Please, let's push this channel forward. Please, you're doing a great job for me, please. Yes. Only you that's subscribing and watching my videos will help me to push this channel forward. But I want you to know that you're doing a great job wherever you are. India, North America, yeah, where China. History. I think this is the present time. They stop marking now. Yeah, we'll tell you no more. It stopped at 2005. So 2005 here. So history. 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 20th century. I'll show it to you already. (1911). Somebody will say he called 1911. I'll show it to you. This is 1912. This is 1911. I know some of my people will remember that time. Maybe history from history. You know, our parents can tell stories about, you know. It's when you come, you will enjoy. You will see a lot. Yeah, a lot. Yeah. 1729, like I'm saying. We'll stop to 2005. Gotta check it around. You gotta come in and check it too. You got us. And read. And read. So someone will say, show me the first. Actually, you can see 400 to 3,000 years ago. You see here? I hope you're seeing this one. 400 to 3,000 years ago. So read about that very well. You may know actually it's a history. We have here 3,000 to 10,000 years ago. (3,000 to 10,000 years ago), and so now we have from 10,000 to 12,000 years ago. My dear brother, I told you, I said this park have history. 10,000 to 12,000 years ago. Do you? It's right by the Delaware River. It's cool. Time like this, you can see down here. You have your they take care of this park all the time. Don't say it like this. So it's well taken care of. It's well taken care of. That's the other side. But if you watch the first video, you will see that I use that side. I use the side, but something that I do not show you yesterday, but in the next video I will make sure I will show you. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for watching my channel. Please share this video, subscribe it, make your comment below. Comment below, let me know what to do next. If you in New Jersey here, you want to see certain area, tell me, comment. Wherever you are, you want to see an area in New Jersey, comment, please. Please. This park, I showed it on the first video that I made yesterday. This is just the neighbor park, like yeah, for this apartments here. See, got a beautiful park and a beautiful sitting place. Yeah, you can sit down here and have fun, mostly the afternoon. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.